ati sijui Uhuru have handshaked Ruto.
Zingine moto inaomba kule inawaka.
Former President Uhuru Kenyatta na Kalonzo Musyoka party leader wa Wiper ni marakorirwo magicamania over the weekend kuria Dr. Uyu wa Kalonzo Musyoka ragikaga uhiki na this meeting gatagati ka Uhuru na Kalonzo Musyoka aria maronekanire magiteretaga as the wedding went on left Kenyans talking na Kenya marakorwo makireginyagia makiria kuona President Ruto ndarakiria mangatongoria aya agithirikari maragikinyitie in this wedding irakorirwo kirehe ndeto shikegie ndogo ya gisiasa gatagati wa Kalonzo Musyoka na Uhuru Kenyatta na koguo Kalonzo Musyoka uria ronekanire gukorwo ari a political friend to Uhuru Kenyatta na also on this other end he is also a political friend to Rigathi Gachagua amwe a Kenya marakorwo magitikia ati nima urata uyu wa gisiasa wa Uhuru na Kalonzo wahota ku extend na ginyagia gukinyira Gachagua kona a Kenya makiria kuma gicigo giki gia gatagati wa bururi ni makoretwo makienda ndogo ya Uhuru na Gachagua ikionekane nona ndeto ici itakinyanĩire kana matanya maya ma a Kenya na matagikinyĩte gukinyanĩra. President Ruto ni arakorirwo akioha thabarĩ nginyagia kuria mucii kwa former President Uhuru Kenyatta. It was not clear at first gitumi kia aya eri gukorwo magicemania na thutha mutheri President uyu muriki wira Uhuru Kenyatta and also President Ruto ni arakorirwo akiruta ndumiriri akiuga ati marakorirwo makimurika maundu makigie regional and also national politics na marakihutia maundu megie thayo kuigithio bururi-ini and also region eno ya bururi uyu wa Kenya na Akenya ni mathiite na mbere na kwaria magikoro magitariria na kugeria gutaura akiria kingikorwo kiratumire President Ruto akorwo akioha thabarĩ na kurora kuria kwa former President Uhuru Kenyatta mucii amwe makiurania kana hihi ndogo eno irakionekanirio hiki-ini uyu wa Dr. wa Kalonzo Musyoka no ikorwo niyo iratumire President Ruto akorwo agitengera kuria kuri Uhuru Kenyatta.
Even if he handshake my own father, mambo ya Ruto will never, because he is the problem. His sticky fingers, wheezy. Hiyo ndio shida, my friend. And one thing I like about the region I live in, hakuna ati mtu fulani amesema, ati baba amesema, ati sijui Uhuru amesema. In our region is sovereignty of the people. Watu wamesema. Anything they do, they can do it on their own, on their private, whatever. We respect that. We dare respect that. But huko tuliweka X.